The modern world and all it provides us with is very dependent on plants and factories, which unavoidably create toxic, hazardous, and polluting chemicals. Every year, the world must deal with more than 385 hazardous chemical waste. Most of it ends up in incineration, landfills, and in waterways, and is generally very costly due to labor and transportation. The risks involved are not only limited to severe groundwater, soil, and air contamination, but also serious hazards during handling and disposing of waste. Sense Environment offers an on-site solution that reduces the need to transport, incinerate, bury, or store waste long-term, as well as decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. The company's state-of-the-art plasma technology enables on-site treatment of both gaseous and liquid hazardous waste as it's formed, with no need for pre-treatment, as well as applications in waste-to-energy and recycles useful materials, saving costs and reducing environmental damage. Sense Environment. Sense Waste Management Future.